too late to the party, but I have finally bought the OnePlus Nord and today we are going to unbox this phone and I'll give you guys my first impressions. Before we go ahead, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon and thumbs up if you find this video useful. Alright, so here is the box of the OnePlus Nord. I got this phone from the UAE and it cost me 1490 AEDs. But this is a made in India unit, so you can see the Indian price of 29,999 rupees at the back of this box too. I will attach the price for different regions on the screen. The variant that I got comes in the blue marble color and this is with a RAM of 12GB, internal storage is 256 gigs and the remaining details of this phone including its Snapdragon processor are mentioned on this box. Without wasting any further minute, let's get into the box now. At the top of this box is the phone with the This Way Nord sticker. The phone feels very handy. Underneath is a black sleeve and this has a very premium TPU case having a very unique design. Inside another black sleeve we get the very good looking Nord stickers and we also get some paperwork. These papers also include the Red Cable Club membership card. I will look into this later. At the bottom of this box is a 30-watt warp charger and lastly there is the iconic red USB Type-C cable. Alright, let's remove the stickers from the OnePlus Nord now. Well, what a device it is. Probably the most premium mid-ranger that I have ever held in my hands. This is sophistication at its best. Sleek, lightweight, premium and beautiful. So one of the most unique unboxing experiences comes to an end. Let me just set this phone up and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, first of all I set its fingerprint scanner and it works up to the mark. It is actually quite responsive. Let me first get the buttons and the ports out of the way. At the bottom of this phone is the dual SIM card slot, USB Type-C port, primary mic and the speaker grill. Power and the silent buttons are on the right side. On the left side is the phone's volume rocker and at the top is the phone's secondary noise cancellation mic. OnePlus Nord's front and back are made out of glass with the Gorilla Glass 5 protection while its frame is built out of plastic. I think this is the coolest looking OnePlus smartphone ever. The vertical camera array helps this phone stand apart from the common trend of circular and the boxy camera modules. OnePlus logo in the middle doesn't look bad either. This phone carries a dual camera setup on the front in a pill-shaped cutout. The bezel profile is sleek and the 6.44 inches Fluid AMOLED screen on the front looks very nominal. Let's talk about why I got it. Against the OnePlus Nord we have the choices like the Galaxy A71, Mi Note 10 Lite and now the Poco X3. OnePlus Nord is a phone far better than the competition. This phone has got a 90Hz screen that none of its competitors have got with this screen technology. The screen looks quite good in all the lighting conditions. Fortunately, I did not face any green tint issues on my unit. It might be because I got this phone quite late and OnePlus has probably fixed this problem in the new Nord units. OnePlus Nord actually makes more sense, especially after the Google Pixel 5 is out. This phone has the capability to go neck and neck with the Google Pixel 5. First of all, its software is quite close to the stock Android and then both the OnePlus Nord and Pixel 5 are powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 765 7nm chipset. I did run the Antutu benchmark on this phone and the score of over 300k is appearing on your screen. You can also find out the remaining details of the different tests that I performed on this phone on the screen right now. On the top of all this, we get a 12GB RAM in this variant along with 256GB internal storage and this helps the Nord to crush the competition with the best offerings in the mid-range segment. Yes, it's 4115 mAh battery can be a downside, but that complements the 6.44 inches screen too. This size in my opinion is perfect for anyone who doesn't want both the hands busy while using the phone. The curved back of this OnePlus Nord makes its grip a whole lot better. The main 48 megapixels camera sensor used in this phone is the Sony IMX586 sensor. the same sensor used in the OnePlus 7T and the OnePlus 8. So basically, OnePlus is giving you a flagship grade camera experience in this phone. The remaining camera details are on your screen. Camera app of this phone is quite powerful. I like the way the zoom wheel appears in the camera app. As I mentioned in my last two videos, I took the OnePlus Nord on a trip with me to north of my country, and I got a chance to capture some of the most incredible camera samples, and I was completely blown away by the quality put forward by the OnePlus Nord. I am only going to show you a few samples here, while I'll keep the rest for this phone's full camera review and the comparisons with the Poco X3, M51, S20 FE and the Galaxy A71. While you watch its camera samples, I will be signing off. Drop your feedback about this phone and about this video in the comment section down below. If you loved it, please subscribe to my channel and do hit the like button as well. With that said, I will sign off and see you all in the next video.